Hi there, Rachel Lucas here. I wanted to show you this Dia de los Muertos teacher packet that it is actually on one of the resources I listed on the Tech for World Language Teachers blog. I have a post about some free resources about Dia de los Muertos, and it's actually this one right here. So when you click on that, let me go ahead and click on it. It's going to open up this website, and it's going to be this packet right here. So anyway, I wanted to show you what the packet looks like. So, and it's got lesson plans. It's got a word game, matching activities. It's got a papel picado lesson plan, Calavera math project, and skeleton puppet projects. And it's all right here. Really, this is everything you need for Dia de los Muertos. You've got your word search, papel picado, ofrenda, things like that. There's mix and match activities. Then we've got the coloring pages right here. I actually printed these for my students. Today we did a whole lesson. Tomorrow we're doing projects. We're making Calavera masks, and they're getting to color. I'm actually doing stations, and so some students are going to get to make the Calavera mask. Some of the students are going to get to color the pages that you're seeing, and some are going to get to paint their faces as well. So I'm actually doing stations with my 8th graders tomorrow. But anyway, I wanted to show you this packet because I don't know if everybody got to see all of the resources that are there. So here are some projects and instructions right here for the papel picado, and it gives you the instructions right there, and you even have an assessment for it. We've got the papel picado samples right here that you can use to make the papel picado. So it's really, really, cool. This is the Calavera mask project right here, and there you have your thing right here. You can make a skeleton puppet. And there you are right there. So it's got lots of different options. So if you're looking for project ideas, I highly recommend you go and check this guide out. I'm going to go back to the blog post. It's on the Tech for World Language Teachers blog. It's the free resources for Dia de los Muertos. And if you come down, it's this one right here. There's tons of other stuff that you can go check out. So I highly recommend you go check out that blog post. And also check out the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group. There's tons of stuff that people have been adding. So yeah, let me actually go and search the group. Let's see. Oh my God. Let me find, this is the one right here. And look at all the stuff that people have been adding. Let's actually click on some of these right here. And yeah, there's a web quest that someone added. I'll be sending that via email to the people on the list. If you're not on my email list, you better get on it because I send goodies like these. Let's see what this is. Let's see if we can open this. This one says we need permission, so we're going to request permission. And what else do we have? Is this the same one that I clicked on? I think it is. This one is a free resource that someone shared. It's a free download, free video questions. So yeah. And then we've got more stuff. So come on over, join the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group, and let your teacher friends know about it so that you can get access to these awesome resources that we have there. All right, well, that's it. Just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. Make sure you check out this awesome, cool Dia de los Muertos teacher packet, and then hop on over inside the group and let us know how you're planning on using these resources with your students. Can't wait to see. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know. Leave me a comment and let your teacher friends know about our group and our community. Thanks for watching. Bye.